Good evening. Today is December 28, 2023 Thursday, and here are the 7 p.m. Estel Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sword 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 28, 2023 Thursday. Here are the SL Sword 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for December 28, 2023 Thursday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of December 28, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.